Alam na yung bahay. Daddy, can you hold my iPod?
Why? Why? Why is the one on this way?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Tell him to give you 5. Come here, Benji. Come here.
Give me 5.
Babe,
Yeah, ask Benji to give you 5.
give me 5. Tell him to turn.
Tell him to turn.
Yeah, tell me what to do.
No, tell him what to do before you give him the
Tell him to
treat.
give me 5. Give me
Like
5.
this.
5.
Oh,
Benji, give me
like that,
5.
like that, like that.
Give me 5.
Oh,
Excited.
I like you.
Okay, go Benji. Sit down.
Hey.
Sit down. And then you put it on the feet and then tell Benji stay. Stay, Benji, stay. Put it here. And then tell him to stay.
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 Stay. Because he's not gonna touch it. Just keep saying stay. Stay, Benji. Stay.
Stay, Benji.
Stay. And then tell him to go.
Go.
Go. You can-
Go.
Go eat.
Go.
Okay, Benji, go.
Go.
There you go. Good job, Benji. Good job.
Okay, okay.
But tell him to give you 5 and or tell him to turn around.
What is
Okay?
Davis?
Turn around. That's
It's
it.
a dog food. That's a dog treat.
Come here.
Sabihin mo.
Around.
Benji, off.
Sabihin mo, turn around.
No, turn around.
Turn.
Hey, no, no, no. No, no.
Benji, turn around.
Turn around.
Benji, give me 5.
You have to say his name.
Turn, Benji, turn.
There you go. Good job, Benji.
Turn.
Benji,
Come here.
give me 5, Benji. Give me 5. Good job.
Yeah. Yeah, Axel's turn. Give you 5. Sabihin mo.
Yeah.
Give me 5. You have to say, give me 5.
Good job. There you go. It's okay.
He gave you 5. 500. He gave you 500, Axel.
Okay.